Concept of substance over form in accounting. Understanding from a child's perspective. Imagine you have a toy that you borrowed from a friend. Your friend says that you can play with it for 1 week, but you have to return it afterward. Even though the toy is physically with you and it looks like it belongs to you, in your heart, you know that it's not really yours. It's just a temporary arrangement. In accounting, substance over form means looking beyond the surface or appearance of a transaction and understanding the real meaning or economic reality behind it. It's like knowing that the toy is borrowed, even though it might seem like it's yours because you're holding it. Sometimes, in accounting, people might try to make things look a certain way on paper, like pretending that they own something when they don't really own it. But substance over form is about recognizing the truth of the situation, even if it's not obvious from the outside. For example, let's say you have a big jar of cookies and you want to share them with your friends. You divide the cookies equally among your friends and give each of them a portion. Even though the cookies are physically with your friends now, in your mind, you know that those cookies still belong to you. You're just letting your friends have a share for a little while. In accounting, if a company sells something but still has control or ownership over it, even if it's not physically with them anymore, they need to recognize that they still have an interest in it. They can't pretend that they don't own it just because it's not in their hands. It's about understanding the true nature of the transaction, just like you understand that the cookies still belong to you even if you're sharing them. So, substance over form in accounting is about looking beyond appearances and understanding the real meaning and economic reality of transactions, just like you understand the truth about the toy being borrowed or the cookies still belonging to you. It helps accountants provide accurate and honest information about what's really happening in a company's finances. Thank you for watching.